across the top like a good thing. I'm a pretty useful machine down here in the Everglades because I can go anywhere and get there fast. I have a job taking around tourists and fishermen. There's plenty to see here if y'all know where to look. Wayne and I both like the fast speeds. There's not many in these swamps that...
Welcome, Hit Entertainment and Jim Entertainment.
Strike a zebra ready pose and listen up with your cow monkey ears. What does all that mean? It means it's time to shake a leg and jam together with the wildest dance party around. Jim Henson's Animal Jam. March with Edie, freeze with Waffle, and join a dance band with DJs 1, 2, 3. And no one jams or shakes a leg like Bozark, the Animal Jam superstar. He's having a ball. So hop up and climb on board with Jim Henson's Animal Jam. Now available on DVD and VHS from Hit Entertainment. And don't miss Animal Jam every weekday morning on the Discovery Kids channel.
Watch out now.
Come on, let's go.
More fun for everyone.
Oh, yeah.
Build a friendship.
With scenes from Little Robots, Bug Rangers, Strawberry Shortcake,
Want to join us? We're practicing for the strawberry games. This is fun.
Love your pets.
with scenes from Garfield and Friends, Garfield the movie,
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
You can't touch this. Go.
and The Aliens.
What are you, from another planet or something?
Step it up a little bit.
Excellent.
Now available on home video only from 20th Century Fox.
And that's a sign that the tank is full.
20th Century Fox Home Entertainment. Hit Entertainment.